Hello, it's me, Rebekah, with the Total Life Hacker. I just want to come to you guys and say, choose joy. Maybe you're going through a tough time and it's really hard to leave. Every day we make that decision to choose joy. John 15:11, so that my joy may be in you and your joy may be full. Christ wants our joy to be full, and that's the reason why he came. He came to give us hope and to bring us joy. Joy is not something that's fleeting, even in our times of grief. It's something that we can hold on to, even in times of struggle. And each and every day that we can know that we have hope in Christ and that he wants us to have a full life of joy. And today we're going to be working on some things like usual. We'll be cooking. We'll be organizing, trying to get our life together, but you know, that's not always the case. And so grab some coffee, whatever you're drinking, it doesn't matter. Wake up and be awesome. That's what I'm trying to do, but maybe it requires another cup of coffee today. So just here to have fun together, learning some hacks to help us all out, making life simpler. And I hope you'll enjoy this video and maybe it'll motivate you to clean out one of your drawers too. I thought today I would give you a peek into what one of my drawers looks like. I really need to work on that. I think all of us have those drawers. This particular house has like 1 or 2 less drawers than my last house did. So we don't have a junk drawer. So it kind of got combined with a lot of other things, and it's not really working out very well for us. So I'm going to try to organize it. I got a couple of organizers. I may have to buy a couple more things. I might need to get rid of some junk. Who knows? But that's what life's all about, right? Trying to figure out what makes things work better, hopefully. Anyway, here we go. As you can see, it looks like maybe the tornado happened in this drawer. A bunch of explosions of a bunch of different things. Anyway, we're gonna try to fix that as best as we can. I'm sure there's things that are in here like, I don't even know. I'm never gonna use this, so why did I keep it? I don't know. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, for lack of a better place to store lids, but I think I'm only gonna keep the lids of things that I know I have. Maybe donating some things. First. Lids, and I'm probably actually going to store them with the actual bowl. We did move about 5 months ago, and we did actually go through a lot of our lids. Then I just think some of the bowls and things like that have gotten destroyed or lost or whatever. You know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. Doesn't go in here. First of all, what I'm thinking on the organization is throw out all the things that I don't need first. I'm just going to kind of look at it, the things that I don't use, the things that I don't need, or the things that are broken are all going to be trashed first before we start organizing or cleaning any of it. I'm going to go put this where it goes. Okay, let's see. I have a lot of things that I've had. All of these cookie cutter things. I only have a few favorite ones, so I think that I'm going to keep those because they have like a cross, an angel. Like, I get my very favorite ones. Maybe a candy cane. The gingerbread ones work pretty good. We don't do it every year, but probably we'll do it again, but I'm not going to keep those. This I'm going to keep. It needs to go in the tea section, so over here, this is having children, and sometimes when they put the dishes, it always put them, in the right spots, but that's okay. I'm hoping that I get these organizers that they're going to help me keep like batteries and things like that separated. utensils or whatever we have in the store, we can easily find things instead of just looking at the chaos. And I bought these at Marshall's. And let's see, I have a tag right here. And $12.99 for them. But the other thing is, don't you love it when they put a lot of stickers? I don't have time to get that off right now. That'll be for another day. I'm not going to worry about it. Just trying to do the best we can. Looking for trash right now. Labels are actually handy, so I'm going to keep them. Start to organize some of the things that I see in here. And stick all the lids on one side. I actually have it empty. I am going to clean this out, wipe it out a little bit. Just a little thought for something is I got these, I needed some new ones because obviously I'm missing a few. And I like to use them in my flour. I just leave them in there. But when we're making something, we needed an extra set. Anyway, I got these on clearance at Aldi, so don't ever, look down the clearance section there. I'm sure why I have a lid, but Okay, I'm thinking that I'm going to throw some of these lids away. They go to like the mason jars. We keep breaking them, to be honest. I like using glass, but, well, I say me, particular people in our family keep breaking them. But it's okay. And then, some of these insulated cups, I know we have a couple still. We still have these too. I know we have that one. Probably gonna dig out those, or I can donate them, whatever. Okay, that's looking a lot better already. Like I said, I'm going to try to store the lids actually with. I don't know if we need both of them. To be honest, we probably could get away with just one, but it came in a 2-pack, so if I decide later on I don't need it, I'll probably take it out later. Well, it's looking better already. I think I'm going to be able to find the things I need whenever we need them much easier. Sometimes you just need an easy, low-key breakfast, and we made banana muffins out of a box. We are grain-free, and this is a product that I wanted to share with you guys, and it is the Simple Mills grain-free, gluten-free banana muffins. It comes with 3 in a box if you can get it at Costco. This is a lot better deal, but I have bought them before, like at Fred Meyer's, not very often because we typically just make it from scratch. But sometimes, like I said, you need an easy fix. And they are really good muffins. They are not completely keto. They don't have all the sugar alcohols in them and things like that, but they are pretty low in carbs if you don't eat a lot of other carbs. Like me, I mostly eat meat and vegetables. So they have like 13 total carbs in them. And so that's what I will have one of them. And then I'll have like coffee with creamer or something like that, maybe with a little bit of protein powder in that, and that'll be my breakfast for this morning because we don't typically eat a very large breakfast. But Daniel and I, we mix these up, and this is what our mixture ended up looking like, and they turned out really good, and I've never had a problem with them so far. And we top them with chocolate chips. You can use low carb chocolate chips. And I always put nuts on top of mine, like walnuts, pecans. If I don't have that, I might have almonds. Also, like almond slivers. So you can get a little fancier. You could put them in a liner if you were going to take them to like a brunch or some kind of breakfast thing that you were having at church or something like that. And then they would just pop out easily. We have this silicone muffin pan. I love this muffin pan. I didn't get it at Amazon. I actually bought it at a garage sale, but I have seen it on there before. And it is so awesome. You can make egg bites, whatever in it. They pop out really easily, and I will never probably use a different muffin pan other than that one because I never have any problems with it. So hopefully this helps you with a morning hack that you can do. Sometimes you just need something easy to go to that's semi-healthy.
Is this thing on?